Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to put camera photo filters on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, you can see below the option, you can select the photo. Okay, here in photo on the top, you can see the filter icon. Okay, you'll have to stop this to show the option of filter here. And okay, the filter is set into original, so you can change into warm by sliding to the left, cool, lowly, frosty, blossom, ivory, faded, soap, kiss me, grayscale, classic, or even B&W or black and white. So I decide to change into kiss me. And also you can change the intensity. The intensity is set into 10. So you can adjust the intensity by sliding to the left to low the intensity, or you can adjust to the right to high the intensity. And I decide to change the intensity into 5 or in the middle. And that's it. Okay, now you can capture photo with filters. And okay guys, we have successfully put camera photo filters on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.